cabbage doesn't need to be boring anymore. I remember the only thing I used to eat cabbage for as a kid was coleslaw. Now, cooking cabbage over fire with a little twist is going to be so beautiful and the ideal complement for any barbecue dish. So, straight on the fire, we've got a mixture of charcoal and also some beautiful wood as well. It's going to lend a really smoky flavour and we're going to nicely char this up. So all this is miso paste that you buy in a container, mixed with a bit of olive oil, and we're just going to layer it and then just every time just give it a nice little lick of it and impart this beautiful umami flavour. The favourite thing about this dish is simple. You can burn it and it doesn't matter. That's the idea, to get really lovely flavour through it, as you want to get some really nice charry bits. This is a great vegetarian dish. So if you've got vegetarian people coming over for a barbecue, give them a wedge of this and promise me they will not be missing one thing. Now we've got the cabbage. It's been cooking for about 5 minutes on one side. Ooh, here we go. So sometimes the layers come up a bit, that's okay. This one hasn't had any miso on there. So now we're going to infuse the flavour and get into the little cracks and crevices if we can. Let's have a look at the other one. No, that's still cooking away. So the best thing about being the barbecue master at any party is that you get to eat it for everyone else. And when the little ones fall off, don't throw them out. You can just lay them flat and then you can either serve them or just nibble away as you're cooking. Pop this guy over. Oh yeah. Ooh, got the price tag on it. So it's been cooking for about 10-15 minutes. If you cook it too much, then it all falls apart. And then, well, you've got individual pieces, which is perfectly fine. But let's just try keep them together and we will see how it all looks. Up. Put the guy there. So here's a little trick here which I quite like adding. It's called Bonito flakes. They're quite beautiful, but of course when you do this it won't be vegetarian, so just remember that. Nice little burnt bits. So you're fine with this. It doesn't need to be salted because the miso is quite salty in itself. So 2 little ingredients, miso, cabbage, fire, delicious. Give this a go next barbecue. Ciao.